So first compound A is prepared from cupric oxide and dilute sulfuric acid. It gives compound A, which is also known as blue vitriol. When heating 230 degrees Celsius, it gives compound B, that is a white in color. Compound A reacts with ammonium hydroxide, it gives a C, that is a complex salt. Again A reacts with hydrogen sulfide gas, it gives compound D, that is a black in color. Find out A, B, C, D and explain the reactions. So compound A is blue vitriol. We know very well what is blue vitriol. Blue vitriol means copper sulfate pentahydrate, that is prepared from cupric oxide and dilute sulfuric acid. So cupric oxide reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, it gives copper sulfate, which is also known as blue vitriol. Actually, it is nothing but copper sulfate pentahydrate crystal. Copper sulfate pentahydrate, that only blue in color. Then when I heating 230 degrees Celsius, it gives a B. So actually copper sulfate pentahydrate only compound A. Copper sulfate pentahydrate heating 230 degrees Celsius, it gives copper sulfate, which is compound B. So A is copper sulfate, but blue vitriol, so that A is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Then A when I heating 230 degrees Celsius, so that copper sulfate pentahydrate, they are going to heat at 100 degrees Celsius, it loses 4 molecules of water, it become a copper sulfate monohydrate, followed by again 230 degrees Celsius, again loses of 1 molecule of water, it gives copper sulfate, that is white in color. So which is compound B. So A is what? Copper sulfate pentahydrate, B is copper sulfate. Then again A means copper sulfate pentahydrate crystal reacts with ammonium hydroxide, it gives the tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. Okay, so A that copper sulfate reacts with ammonium hydroxide, gives a complex salt, namely tetraamine copper 2 sulfate, which is compound C. Tetraamine copper 2 sulfate is compound C. How to balance? That is 4 say 4 ammonium, so that 4 ammonia, 1 copper, 1 copper, 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate. Then sulfur, okay, 4 oxygen, that side is 4 plus 5, 1, 5 oxygen, that side also 5 oxygen, so balanced 1. But hydrogen is considered 4 4s are 16 plus 4, 20 hydrogen, here 12. So 4 2s are 8 plus 12, 20 hydrogen, okay, balanced 1. Oxygen 4 plus 4, 8 oxygen, 4 plus 4, 8 oxygen, balanced 1. Named as tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. Again A means copper sulfate reacts hydrogen sulfate gas, copper sulfate reacts hydrogen sulfide gas, it gives respective sulfide, namely cupric sulfide. So HTSO is removal, remaining CuS plus HTSO4, cupric sulfide which is compound D, that's the block precipitate. Okay, so that in this problem, cupric oxide reacts with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, it gives a copper sulfate is the product. So it's a blue vitriol, so that copper sulfate pentahydrate is blue vitriol. Then it decomposes it at 230 degrees Celsius, it gives a white substance which is compound B, so that copper sulfate pentahydrate undergoes decomposition at 100 degrees Celsius, it removes of 4 molecules of water, it gives copper sulfate monohydrate. Then again increase in the temperature from 100 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, it removes one more water molecule, become an anhydrous copper sulfate, that is white in color. Then that anhydrous copper sulfate reacts with ammonium hydroxide, you will get one complex salt, namely tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. Again A, copper sulfate reacts with hydrogen sulfate gas, it gives cupric sulfide which is black in color. Now make a table column, that means compound formula name. A, B, C, D, four things is there. So A, B, C and D. What is A? That is a copper sulfate pentahydrate okay. Then B, that is a copper sulfate, actually that is white in color, so that is anhydrous copper sulfate, anhydrous. This copper sulfate is blue in color because of water is pentahydrate. 5 molecules of water is there, so that is blue in color. It's anhydrous copper sulfate, there is no water molecule, so that white in color. Compound C, CO, NH3 4 times and SO4, tetraamine copper 2 sulfate, tetraamine copper 2 sulfate, D is CuS, that is cuprous sulfide. D is what? Cuprous. D is cupric sulfide. D is CuS, so that cupric sulfide. Okay. So in that problem, A is copper sulfate pentahydrate, that is the blue in color. B is copper sulfate, that is the white in color. So that anhydrous copper sulfate. C is tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. Then D is cupric sulfide. Okay. The next question. Question number 19. எப்ப கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா செப்டம்பர் 2012 கேட்ட question. Element A belongs to group number 12 and period number 4. A occupies group number 12, period number 4. Which element? 12 4, 6 4 chromium, 11 4 copper, 11 5 silver, 11 6 gold, 12 4 yes zinc. It reacts with dilute nitric acid. It reacts with dilute nitric acid. It gives B along with liberation of N2O. Along with liberation of N2O. Then compound A reacts with air at 773 Kelvin. Again compound A reacts with air at 773 Kelvin. It gives C. Find out A, B, C, D and explain the reaction. So compound element A occupies group number 12, period number 4 is zinc. So zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid, it gives zinc nitrate. Then zinc reacts with air at 773 Kelvin. It gives a phosphorus wool, zinc oxide, which is compound C. So that element A occupies group number 12, period number 4. This is zinc. Zinc reacts with dilute HNO3 nitric acid. It gives zinc nitrate. Zinc nitrate along with liberation of nitrous oxide and water. So zinc nitrate, which is compound B. Then A mean what? Zinc reacts with air at 773 Kelvin. It gives a zinc oxide, which is also known as phosphorus wool, which is called compound C. How to balance? 2 oxygen, but here only 1 oxygen, so that 2 zinc, so that 2 zinc. That side 1 zinc, 1 zinc. 2 plus 2, 4 nitrogen atoms there. So 4 nitrogen. 4 hydrogen, so that 2, 4 hydrogen. 4 threes are 12 oxygen. 3 twos are 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not balanced. So how to balance? Zinc reacts with dilute nitric acid. It gives what's the product? Zinc nitrate is the product. How to balance? Zinc with nitric acid. Okay, how to balance zinc nitrate? So usually we balanced one this reaction in previous class. Here is 4, this is 10, this is 4, here is 5. 4, 10, 4, 5. We check it whether it's balanced or not. 4 is a 10 mean 4 zinc, okay. 10 hydrogen, 5 twos are 10 hydrogen. 10 nitrogen, 2 mean 4 twos are 8 plus 2 10 nitrogen. 10 threes are 30 oxygen. 3 twos are 6, 4 6 are 24, 25 plus 5, 10, so 30 oxygen. Okay. So this is a very important frequently they are asking this type of problems. Now you are going to make a tabular column. Compound formula name. Compound is only three compounds A, B and C. So A, B and C. A is what? A is zinc. B is zinc nitrate. C is zinc oxide. Okay. So A is zinc, B is zinc nitrate, C is zinc oxide. Very easiest problem. This problem only they asked in the year of September 2012. The next problem.